Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to upload full Facebook profile picture without cropping. Some provide full guide. This is my Facebook profile. So as you can see, I'm upload full profile picture without cropping. Okay, so let's get started. Simply at first open your Facebook apps and open your Facebook account. Press on profile. Click on, press on to choose profile picture. Okay, press on this, and when I'm select a full image, but it's not showing it to full frame. Okay, so don't upset, you just use another tricks. So you just open your any browser like Chrome browser or Safari browser. Like I'm open my Safari browser. Go to search option, search set to facebook.com. okay, and press on three dot. Make sure to request desktop website. Make sure to enable desktop site and log in your Facebook account. Press on to profile. Click on, press on to upload from library, and just select this photo and showing it to full frame. Press on right mark. Okay, and press on save. Okay, and go back. Now open my Facebook apps again, profile. So as you can see, now successfully upload full image. Okay, as you can see, now successfully upload full image in my profile picture. So that's it.